Okay, so right now I'll show you how you can change the photo setting on your iPhone. So the photos that you take with your device are not going to be in the HEIC format, but instead in the JPEG. So in case you want to do that, it's pretty simple. Although you would expect the change to happen inside of the camera app, it's not the case. What you have to do is just click on the settings like this and scroll down to find the camera section within the settings. So just scroll down all the way to the bottom like this. And I want you to click on the format. So click on formats, and here's the thing. You don't explicitly see the JPEG right here, and you don't like click from JPEG to the other high efficiency format, but you can see that HEIC stands for high efficiency. So in case you don't want your pictures to be in that format, you have to switch it to the most compatible, which according to the description is going to be just the JPEG. So the JPEG or H.264 for the video format. So that's how it works. Of course, yeah, as I say, it's not like said entirely clearly that you have to do it this way, but yeah, high efficiency is HEIC JPEG is the most compatible. As you keep it like this, if you just, of course, let it like that, leave the setting, it's going to stay that way when you go to the camera next time. So if you want to keep it that way, this is very useful. Also, photo capture, since this is iPhone 15, you can also choose like if it's going to be the 12 or 24 megapixels. So for more quality, choose that one, but it's still going to be in like within the JPEG. So definitely something to pay attention to. And also the last thing is resolution control. So you can even control it to like 48 megapixels. So that's really good. And yeah, some things to pay attention to, but other than like the format. So I'm going to wrap up the video right now. If you found it useful, leave a thumbs up, but definitely check out the Foxtecc educational platform, which you can join for free. And there are like courses on video editing and in-depth iPhone guides for different apps and stuff. So definitely something worth joining. So definitely go ahead and do that right now. And I will see you inside as well as in future videos. For now, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later.